In the last section, you learned that in order to handle server errors, we should wrap this line in a try-catch block. So let's add a try block. Move this line here. We add the catch block. Here we get an exception. We need to check if this exception or error object has a response, and x.response.status is 400. That means we, as the client, did something wrong. So we should display one or more errors on this form. Now, in this case, the only kind of error we get is user already registered. So just like before, we should clone our errors object. So we set this to a new object and spread this.state.errors. Now we set errors.username to, we can pass an error message here, or we can use the error message that we get from the server. That is available via x.response.data. So finally, we call this .setState, and we pass our new errors object. Let's test the application. So one more time, I'm going to create this user. And we got our error message here. Beautiful. So our registration form is working. Now, technically, in a real-world scenario, at this point, we want to automatically log in the user and then redirect them to the home page. But let's temporarily park this part and focus on our login form. When we build the login feature completely, then we'll come back to our registration form and log in the user automatically. So next, we'll look at this login form.